are you regarding the best Beretta handguns and pistols for self-defense and home defense of 2022? Here we have compiled the best Beretta 9mm pistols and handguns we found so far. Beretta 96A1. The 96A1 brings the .40 S&W caliber back in the Beretta 90 series lineup, offering a built-in Picatinny rail for easy mounting of tactical accessories. It also features a machined recoil buffer that dramatically increases durability. Discover all the features that make the 96A1 a winning choice for self-defense or concealed carry. The 96A1 is an evolution of the legendary 92FS M9, one of the world's most successful pistols for military, law enforcement, and self-defense use. Beretta PX4. Ideal for personal defense and law enforcement, the PX4 Storm is as tough and reliable as it is accurate, safe, and easy to use. Available in a number of powerful calibers, the PX4 Storm is a handgun that will keep delivering premium Beretta performance even after years of hard use. Designed to meet the most stringent military standards of durability, the PX4 has been reported to fire well over 150,000 rounds with 0 part breakages. Beretta M9. After over a quarter century serving the US military all around the world, the M9 can truly be considered the ultimate combat and tactical pistol. M9, today's most reliable and dependable sidearm for law enforcement, military, and personal defense. There is no pistol today that is as durable, reliable, dependable, easy to use, safe, and accurate as the Beretta M9. The handgun that has rightfully earned the nickname of World Defender. Beretta M983. With the M983 semi-auto pistol that created a coming together of all the tactical and functional features that today's combat professionals require. From Veritech-style thin grip to universal slide design, convertible from safety decocker to decocker only, from a beveled magazine well to oversized mag release button, from a 3-slot built-in Picatinny rail to high-capacity capability for maximum firepower. The M983 was designed to deliver the performance that military, law enforcement, and VIP protection professionals demand. Beretta 2 CO2 BB Air Pistol. Beretta legacy continues in CO2 air pistols with this exciting 19-shot 177 caliber BB air pistol. The Beretta Elite 2 air pistol is powered by a 12-gram CO2 cylinder housed within the pistol's grip. Its velocity reaches a smoking 410 FPS, and the Elite 2 air pistol has a dropout BB magazine. Specs: powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge, sporting replica of the real firearm with a smoking 480 FPS velocity. Features fixed front and rear sights and an integrated rail for easy accessory mounting.